is the most important thing you can do for your healing.
3 pearls of wisdom to help you heal. Understanding these diseases a really big deal. 3 pearls of wisdom to help you heal. You're a blessing, you are worth it for real. Up and laughing.
Here are 3 precious pearls of wisdom to regain your health and help you heal. The first one is something we all know, but we forget. The body is self-healing. Yes, this is one of our body's superpowers. When we get a paper cut, for example, we literally do nothing to it, and the next day or the day after, it is completely healed. The same is true with, say, a broken bone. We break our bone, we just need it to be set, and then in a few months, it's totally healed. It is miraculous. The same is true when it comes to chronic disease and illness. Our body is self-healing. Even when we're sick, the body takes care of business so that we can be well again. In the case of chronic disease, all we need to do is put the body in the right environment so that it actually can do its work and heal. When we are clogged up with toxins, it is difficult for the body to activate its self-healing mechanism. It's still working, but you're not seeing results because there are issues with the body's mechanisms of eliminating toxicity. So we put the body in an environment externally and internally where healing can take place. This is why, although it seems rare, there are cases of people with stage 4 cancer who have come back to full health. My mother-in-law was diagnosed with ALS, which is a degenerative disease, and it is very, very taxing on the emotions and on the body. This is a disease that doctors say is not curable. So she was told that she had to take medications until she passed away. And they were working on preparing her for death instead of giving her hope for life. When I went and did some research, I found cases of people who had reversed their ALS. It was called ALS reversal. I want to just say there's not a lot of hope out there for chronic illness and chronic disease, but I wanted to give the reminder that the body is self-healing. So there is always hope. There's always hope to bring the body back into balance so that the symptoms can subside. Isn't it amazing that the body is self-healing? It is so exciting, and it just makes me marvel at the creation of the human body. It truly is a miracle. The second pearl of wisdom to help you heal is that stress will block your ability to fully get back to normal. Well, this sounds like, oh yeah, I hear this all the time. No stress, I shouldn't be under any stress. But listen, it's totally true that the body will go into a fight or flight mode when in stress. And when the body is in fight or flight, it cannot do anything else but just focus on your survival. And what this does is it engages hormones that are stress hormones, and it shuts down all other abilities of the body, including the ability to heal. So when we're in stress, it's a block on healing. There is no way to heal if you're under stress. So it's very important to think about ways to keep your stress level under control and managed. And ideally, you really want your stress level to go down to 0. Go to a tropical island and swing back and forth in a hammock and think happy thoughts every day of the year. I wish we could do that. But since we can't, we need to find where your happy place is, go there, and do your happy things. Every day, find some peace. This is the most important thing you can do for your healing because the healing starts once your stress is under control. For mental stress, what I like to think about is that I have 2 choices. I can either think, woe is me, I am the victim, this is so difficult, how am I going to get through this? Or I can think, bring it on, I can handle it. Okay? So the choice is woe is me or bring it on. Now, if you say these 2 things out loud, feel in your body how it makes you feel. Actually feel in your body. Woe is me feels very depleting. Bring it on. Feel the power that you feel inside when you say these words. because it tells your body you can take on anything. It's a powerful mantra that I use anytime I get into a stressful situation. I choose, woe is me, or bring it on. The third pearl of wisdom that I have for you is to eat God's food. I say this in every video because it's so important. God's food is the food that grows from the earth. Think fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This is life-giving food. This is food that lights up your cells and lights up your body. The more of this food you have in your diet, the healthier you are. If you can make God's food the majority of the food that you eat during the day, you'll feel a massive difference. It really, really ignites your soul. It makes you feel happier and healthier and more alive and more generous and heart-centered. It helps you be nicer to people. It creates a ripple of love in the world. It helps you live a good, healthy life. And you don't even need to count calories if you're eating mostly God's food. God's food brings you into a homeostatic weight. It brings you into a homeostatic way of being. And it is just the best diet that you can eat. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. I hope these 3 pearls of wisdom helped you. For more natural health wisdom and to up-level your life, because you deserve it, subscribe to God's Food. If you found something enlightening in this video, watch this video next. You're a blessing. God's Food.
3 pearls